Drone pilots are getting their gear seized at airport security, not because drones are banned, but because they had no idea the rules changed. If you're flying anywhere this year with your drone, what you don't know will cost you. Let's talk about whether you can bring a drone on a plane and exactly what the new TSA rules in 2026 mean for you. Drone body, what TSA actually allows. The good news first. TSA explicitly allows drones in both carry-on and checked baggage. The drone body, frame, camera, and gimbal face no special restrictions. That said, carry-on is the strongly preferred option for two reasons. Luggage handlers can damage sensitive equipment, and checked bags go through pressure and temperature changes that can harm electronics and battery cells. Here's a pro tip. Large drones, anything the size of a DJI Mavic or larger, may trigger extra screening, and TSA agents can ask you to remove the drone from your bag at the checkpoint, similar to the laptop rule. The battery rules. This is where people get burned. Here's where things get serious. The biggest issue for travelers isn't the drone itself, it's the lithium batteries. The FAA and TSA both have rules based on the watt-hour rating of your battery. Up to 100 watt-hours is allowed in carry-on without any restrictions. This covers most consumer drones like the DJI Mini or Mavic Air. Batteries rated between 101 to 160 watt-hours are allowed in carry-on, but limited to 2 spares, and you may need airline approval. Anything above 160 watt-hours is not allowed on passenger planes at all. And here's the rule that catches people off guard. Spare lithium-ion batteries cannot go in checked baggage. No exceptions. TSA will confiscate spare batteries found in checked bags, and you cannot retrieve them once the bag is checked. Airline updates. New restrictions. Just kicked in. Airlines are tightening things further. American Airlines, Delta, and Southwest all implemented new lithium battery policies effective May 1, 2026, after the FAA logged 97 lithium battery incidents on U.S. aircraft last year. Always confirm your specific airline's policy before you fly. Carrier rules now vary more than ever. Quick recap. So can you bring a drone on a plane under the new TSA rules in 2026? Yes, but the batteries are everything. Keep them in your carry-on, know your watt-hours, and declare them at the checkpoint. If you think this will help your gear from getting confiscated, smash that like button and subscribe. I break down travel and drone rules every week so you never get caught off guard at the airport again.